Now we are going to learn about circuits. The basic definition of a circuit is the interconnection of various electrical components. I mean, there are many electrical components. There are active elements, there are passive elements. A circuit can be an interconnection of any of these elements. But that interconnection can be called a circuit only if the current should flow through all the elements present in the circuit. As you can see in this circuit, there is a 6-volt source and there are 3 resistances. And if you see there is a closed path through all the resistances here, and which implies that the current from this 6-volt source will pass through this 1 ohm, this 2 ohm, and this 4 ohms also. That's why this is called a circuit. And when coming to the network, the network definition is same as that of a circuit, but the thing is, the current need not pass through all the elements present in the network. I mean, we can see in this circuit there is a 5-volt source and there are again 4 resistances, and the current, as you can see, that the current can flow only through these 3 resistances, and this is an open circuit. The current need not flow through this 2 ohms. This is called a network and this is called a circuit. From the basic definition, we can imply that every circuit is a network, but every network is not a circuit. And coming to the example of a circuit, the basic example of a circuit is a battery getting charged to the supply means. Whenever we charge our cell phone batteries or something like that, this is a simple connection between, we will connect our charger from the supply means to the battery. So there are 2 elements present here. The battery is a load and the supply is and the mains is a supply. Coming to the practical example of networks, our practical power system is the best example of network, because there are many things. There are many electrical components like generators and loads, non-linear loads, linear loads. All these elements are present, but every element may not be active at a particular time. So our practical power system is the best example of a network.